There are expected consequences and repercussions of Pakistan-sponsored terrorism and on cinema as well. The Information and Broadcasting Ministry sources have confirmed that the soon-to-be-released movie Abir Gulal, which apparently appeared to have co-actors from Pakistan like Fawad Khan, will not be allowed to release in India. Film body has said strict action could also be taken against makers and the film, and the film will not be released in India at least. He's also shared that songs of the film, any visuals will not be played anywhere in the country. Pakistan cannot expect culture, acting, all of this to be beyond borders when it's clearly sending terrorists crossing the border to kill innocent people. As we are looking at the families that have been destroyed, can Pakistan really expect that its actors will also get massive release in India?
फवाद खान की जो फिल्म है अबीर गुलाल, उसको पूरे इंडिया में बैन कर दिया है। कहीं भी ये रिलीज नहीं होगी, न इसके गाने दिखाए जाएंगे, न इसका प्रमोशन होगा। इसके जो प्रोड्यूसर हैं दानी के और डायरेक्टर जो भी हैं, उन सब पर एक्शन लिया जाएगा। इनको नॉन कोऑपरेशन किया जाएगा। और सारे चैनल, टीवी चैनल यदि कोई पाकिस्तानी प्रोग्राम दिखा रहे हैं, उनको भी एक्शन उन पर लिया जाएगा। साथ ही म्यूजिक कंपनियां जो गाने बजा रही हैं पाकिस्तानी, उनको लेटर हमारे तरफ से जाएगा कि तत्काल प्रभाव से रोकें जी। हमने, क्योंकि ये नो पाकिस्तानी बिजनेस, जब हमारे लोगों को इस तरीके से मारा जाता है, हम रिश्ते कब तक बना कर रखेंगे? ऐसा रिश्ता तो नहीं रह सकता।
एब्सोल्युटली। बट ऑल्सो तिवारी जी, आई मीन यूट्यूब पे जो पाकिस्तानी शोज जैसे चल रहे हैं, वो तो कहीं ना कहीं वो आई डोंट थिंक कोई एक्शन उस पे हो पाए।
नहीं, जो रोक नहीं सकते उसे तो नहीं रोक सकते, मगर हम देश विदेश में कोई भी हमारा सिंगर, हमारा म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर जाकर कश्मीर, अपना लंदन में या दुबई में जो गाने रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं, वो भी नहीं कर सकते। अच्छा। उनके अब जो चल रहा है यूट्यूब में है, जिसको हम सेंसर नहीं कर सकते, रोक नहीं सकते, वो तो चल रहा है। पर म्यूजिक कंपनियां तो कोई ना कोई कंपनी तो उसमें इन्वॉल्व है ना। बिल्कुल। चाहे टी सीरीज है, चाहे कोई भी है, चाहे सारेगामा है, जो भी है, या कोई ऐसे शो चल रहे हैं, उन सबको तत्काल प्रभाव से रोकने के लिए कहा गया है।
India Today's Piyush Mishra is telling us what sources in the INB ministry are saying. Also remember, we were speaking to these film body associations that are telling them that they definitely will ensure that the film is not released. This is also a messaging that from different layers, India is united. This time, it's a turning point. Piyush, tell me more about those wondering right now, why not let a film release? What is the reason, do you think, that the film body and the INB ministry are taking that action?
But Pooja, one thing is very clear, that government does not want to keep even one point of relation with Pakistan. And yesterday we saw as to how a series of actions were taken after the CCS meeting, which was chaired by Narendra Modi, in which Indus Water Treaty has been suspended. At the same time, every Pakistani citizen has been asked to leave the country within 48 hours, and borders have also already been closed. So talk, terror, culture cannot go hand in hand. That's the message which has been sent out by the country. And looking at that, we are now hearing is that INB sources are telling us that the movie Abir Gulal, which also stars Pakistani actor Fawad Khan, will not be allowed to release in India. And we have also seen as to various celebrities, Bollywood celebrities, have condemned this attack, and certainly a section within the Bollywood also supports this move that Pakistani actors should not be allowed to have their say in Indian culture, or their movies should not be allowed to be released in the country.
Also remember, Indian celebrities have also united on this. Indian celebrities have put out statements, not only of course condemning the terror attack, but standing in solidarity as India as one. This is where, irrespective of the industries, Indians have come together. And surely Pakistan cannot expect that India will stay quiet when it comes to its own people who were massacred the manner in which Pakistan-sponsored terrorists did it.